Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So in this video, I will show you how much money does John Heisz make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube channel. John started his YouTube channel back on February 24, 2011. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 650,000. Total amount of views are 128 million. Average daily subs is currently 168. And his monthly subs is currently 5,034. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. And this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 25,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. So his daily income is $75. His monthly income is $2,250. Now his annual revenue, this is going to be an estimate. His income is $27,000. Now YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after YouTube cut is $14,850. Now John, he has another way he monetizes his channel. And this is by selling plans. John Heisz sells plans on his website. And he does quite well. So this is some of his plans that he sells on his website. He currently has 650,000 subscribers, and let's say 1% of a subscriber buys a plan. That's 6,500. And each of his plans are about $10 for a plan. So his profit is obviously $10 per plan. So 6,500 times 10 is $65,000 per year. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.